Hello and welcome to the TV room. I am testing the microphones again, but this time I'm in the dark. And of course, what happens? Well, you can see the little LEDs. And they are telling me that the microphones are the batteries are charged and they're connected. Because if they're flashing red and green, or if they're red, or if they're not on, then they're not connected. But they are connected. So it should be fine. So I think what I will do next is set things up a little differently and get on with the surprises, things. So thanks for coming to the microphone test. Let's see here. Yes, when I turn on the light. Oh, I guess you can maybe you can still see the green. Anyway, thanks for coming. Bye for now.